It's early April and the weather is still unpredictable, restless and ever-changing, but something keeps pulling me outside. For days I waited for the perfect moment to set off, but at some point I realized there's no such thing as the perfect moment. So I stopped waiting. Whatever doesn't fit, I try my best to make it fit. To my hometown in the northwestern corner of Lower Austria. I load up my motorcycle with my fly fishing gear and head towards the Kamp, a river that has fascinated me for as long as I can remember. It's here that I first learned the art of fly fishing. After the last month were filled with a lot of noise and motion, I decided to return and to embrace the quiet, to let nature remind me what stillness feels like, just camping, nature and silence.
So yesterday we had a night of very heavy rain and storm, thunder, everything, and I really don't trust the road here because everything is wet under the surface, and if you just go to a certain amount of leaning to one side, I think the tires will easily just slip here. So we'll take it very easy, he said, and then continued going fast. That's crazy. Okay, I think I need to go down here. Okay, that's it. I went to the wrong side, obviously. What I wanted to do was end up over there. No. Okay, let's have a look here. Stop for a moment. I think I will have to go up the road again, turn right, and then
go down the other side. So we'll go back all the way now and try to find the right way, the right path that leads to the place I initially wanted to end up. So yeah, let's go. So we're back. Yeah, I will have to maybe cross the river down there and then turn right. Like this tiny river here is the mark of the end. So I pass it now and then eventually start turning right. Ah, maybe that's this way here. Yeah, seems to be the right one now. Yeah. And this also looks way better to go. So before I ended up down there, and it's really not possible to cross this section here. So yeah, now it's done and I can set up the tent here fine. So the first attempts were not too successful, and now try to see what's going on here. Strange things happen here. So I felt someone touching my left arm, so I was looking left to see what was there. Actually there was nothing, and at the same time something grabbed the fly, and I could see it and I could feel it, but I was completely distracted, so I lost that fish. Strange, like a ghost or something, or maybe it was just the wind.
It's getting dark soon and I still don't have fish, so my idea now is to go a little ride with the motorcycle more upstream, and there are some places where I usually catch something, so we'll give it a try now. Let's see if there's a chance to catch something here. I will see. Okay, there's not too much time left. I will say at least half an hour, and then I will try to, if I don't catch anything, go back. I think I have to go up there. It's a better way, but I will start here. Oh, no! Here we go. I hope the hook is not that bad inside, so I can let it go immediately. That's the first catch of today. I don't know if this is... I think this one is too small. This should go. Here you go. Sun is already going down and I have to go back. So no fish for me today, but at least I got the fire going on, which was actually quite easy. So I haven't seen anyone the whole day. I was just being in a tent, setting up the tent first, going around different parts of the river where I tried to find something, which didn't work out, but that is okay. Right now I think I will just stay here, let the fire burn down, maybe get some water on top of it so nothing can happen. Yeah, and then we'll have to, we'll go to bed quite early today.
Good morning. It's cold. No. And in the last hours it started to rain. Yesterday I managed to lose one of the wading boots, so there's only one left now. So we'll have to go back all the way between the two spots where I was fishing. I hope it's still on the way, so I will have to just pick it up.